SOLIDWORKS Flow 2021 expands the types of problems you can solve and continues to improve how project results are processed. Rotating regions are powerful features that are used to simulate fluid driving the motion of rotating parts. For this thruster, we've defined a gradual increase in rotational velocity from 0 to 250 radians per second. Now in 2021, rotating regions can be combined with the free surface feature. Here we can see that we've defined the initial height of the boundary between two fluids. This is ideal for mixing tasks and can be used to gain more insight on product performance. Using the Transient Explorer tool, we can quickly visualize the effects of the thruster on the fluids as it speeds up. We want to estimate the required torque and power. Goals are created to track these outputs, and by going to the history section of the goal plot, their values can be viewed throughout the duration of the study. And with Flow 2021, new parameters are provided in the summary table, making it easier than ever to find the maximum value and when it occurred. If you regularly create plots with the same parameters, you can save time by creating them from a template using the new Create Plots from Scene command. You can even create the same plots in multiple projects all at once. To create a new scene template, simply show the desired plots and choose the Create Scene Template option. Now you're ready to create custom plots in any other project with only one command. Another common application for flow simulation is heat transfer. This vehicle enclosure has multiple electronic components inside that generate heat. The enclosure itself is designed to act as a heat sink. But how can you determine exactly how the heat is moving from one place to another? Flux Plots were added in 2019 and provide a graphical interface so you can easily understand where heat is coming from and where it's going to. A new option in this plot groups all items by type so you can quickly check the energy balance of the simulation, ensuring that your study has fully converged. Investigating specific areas of the model can be done by creating a cropped region. When you click the automatic plot min and max options, they're now calculated from the region, so you can clearly communicate the full range of values without any guesswork. Another improvement with goals is the ability to calculate the minimum, maximum or average from a selection of goals. For example, you can easily discover the maximum temperature across all of the batteries and PCBs. Just use full stop asterisks after the start of the goal name to select them all, and then choose the min, max or average. To further reduce the amount of manual calculations, custom visualization parameters can now depend on other custom visualization parameters. The Magnus formula for calculating dew point temperature is just one example of when you might use this functionality. Just set up the items in the engineering database once, and they're ready to use for all projects. With SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2021, improve your simulation-driven design tasks with expanded capabilities and more efficient results processing.